All right, we're going to talk about expanded dizzying notation. What is expanded notation? Well, expanded notation, we're going to talk about expanded notation of whole numbers, is whenever you grab a whole number and you break it up and you show the pieces of it, like this. If I were to have the number and you show the pieces of based on their place value. So if I have the number 15 and I were to write it in expanded notation, I would write it like this. We have a tens place number, 1 tens, right here. We have 1 10, and then we have a ones place number, which is 5 ones. So right here, and 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So the expanded notation of 15 would be 10 plus 5. This is what I mean by you show in its pieces. You take the place values and you separate them and you show them by adding the addition sign between them. So if I had the number, let's say 22, and I was supposed to show it in expanded notation, well, we have a tens place and a ones place here. We have 2 tens right here, 20. So we have 20 right here. And we have the ones place 2 right there. And this would be its expanded notation because 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. That's its expanded notation. It's just like writing like an equation. Like if I were to ask you 20 plus 2 is equal to what? You'd be like, oh, it's 22. That would be the expanded notation. This one would be the expanded notation of that one. So let's do a little bit harder. What about 345? What's the expanded notation here? Well, again, I don't have to break it up into pieces. So 345, we have 300 right here. So 300 plus, and then we have this 40 right here, plus 40, and then we have this 5 right here, plus 5. There you go, and that's its expanded notation. What about 4,589? Well, we get 4,000 right here. We have 4,000 right here, so 4,000 plus 500 right here, 500 plus, and then we got this 80 right here, this 8, which is 80. And then we have the 4, right, or 9. And there you go, that's the expanded notation. So yeah, expanded notation breaks the thingies up into smaller thingies and then put the plusy sign right there. They break them up into their place values. And then put addition signs between them to show that whenever you add them up, they equal to that thing. So it's cool.